While millennials today are addicted to their smartphones, swiping and flipping through multiple apps every day, there is this rare breed of youngsters who are busy in spending their time creating apps. In this video, we are going to talk about 4 such young app developers who saw a problem, identified the opportunity and went on to make millions from it. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of App Academy. Get ready for a daily dose of app wisdom from Appify. Let's start with Brian Wang. Wang, a child prodigy, received his high school diploma at the age of 14 and his bachelor's degree at the age of 18 from the University of British Columbia. His first company, Follow Formation, was quoted by Mashable as one of the easiest ways to follow top Twitterers on the basis of the subject topic or subject matter. But it was Skip, his recent venture, that made him one of the youngest internet entrepreneurs to raise venture capital. This app is a relevant and targeted rewards program that helps brands engage with their customers when they are deeply engaged in a game. The company has managed to garner over $32 million in venture capital and has at least 40 major brand partners like 1-800-Flowers, Amazon.com and more. He was a self-made millionaire when he was just shy of 20 and he was named in the Forbes 30 Under 30 social mobile list in 2011. A second young entrepreneur for the day is Robert Ney. Ney was 14 when one of his friends suggested that he should try and make an iPhone app. Within 1 month, Ney had completed books on the subject, had produced 4,000 lines of individual code, and produced his first game, Bubble Ball, a 72-level physics puzzle game. The game was released in December 2011 and was downloaded over 2 million times from the Apple App Store within its first 2 weeks. Since its release, it has been downloaded over 16 million times and is now available for free on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. The 8th grader has established his own company for mobile games development, Ney Games, and is based out of Utah. At number 3 is Chad Rhetta. A graduate from Coastal Carolina University, Rhetta owned a newspaper company and started a real estate agency in 2006. In 2009, due to a major accident, he had to spend 18 months recuperating. During this time, he came across an article in the newspaper about app millionaires. They started a chain of events where Rhetta began researching, designing, and outsourcing the development of apps. Fingerprint Security Pro, his first app, mimicked the fingerprint scanning technology and went on to become the bestseller on the Apple App Store. Following the success of his first app, Rhetta has now gone on to create 50 more apps which have been downloaded over 150 million times globally. And at last, but definitely not the least, is Nick Giallo. Nick created the Trimit application for iOS in March 2011. It utilized an analytical tool to condense text into 1,000, 500 or 140 characters text summary. Based on the feedback for Trimit, he redesigned it and relaunched it as Summly in December 2011. The initial version of Summly was downloaded by 200,000 users. Due to the corporate support, he was able to raise $1.23 million in a new venture capital funding for Summly. He became and still is currently the youngest entrepreneur to raise venture capital. His app, Summly, received Apple's Best Apps of 2012 award for intuitive touch, and he also won Apple's Design Award in 2014 for Yahoo News Digest. He appeared in Forbes 30 Under 30 list, GQ Magazine's 100 Most Connected Men in 2014, and Mail on Sunday's Top 100 Things to Watch in 2013. He was also featured in Sunday Times' 100 Makers of the 21st Century and was placed number 30 on 2014 Silicon Valley 100 by Business Insider. Now that was an inspirational lot. The list of achievements for these young app innovators goes on and on. It is these young app millionaires that indicate and define the bright future of mobile apps. Do you have an app idea that can make you millions? What are you waiting for? go ahead and make your rightful millions. You are watching the latest video from App Academy. If you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button and stay tuned to our channel for more such awesome stuff.